Today I will show you how to prepare the extract of carrot. This is one old recipe of my grandmom Angelina. It's a very simple recipe, but it has a long procedure. We take some carrots and we smash them in this way. Then we soak them for 24 hours. After 24 hours of soaking, we can take the carrots. We squeeze them in order to make remain just the juice of carrot in the soaked water. Let's repeat this procedure until the water will become dark brown. And let's begin the preparation of the extract of carrot. At this point we must cook very slowly. This liquid must cook for 24 hours on a very slow flame. This liquid will reduce of 95%. And so we will have a very dense and scented liquid. After 24 hours, here's our result. Usually we serve it with a sweet based on ricotta tahini and sponge cake. As you see, the carrot cream is really dense. Our sweet is ready.
Noi normalmente lo serviamo con il nostro dolce alla ricotta, fatta a base di ricotta con del miele e paglietta di Spagna. Come si può vedere, la densità del nostro sciroppo di carrubbo. Il nostro dolce è pronto.